Hello and welcome. This is the Market Wrap. I am Agam Vakil. What a day it's turned out to be for the benchmarks. We've seen good gains in the benchmarks, along with the fact that the broader markets have also seen that strength come through. When it comes to the Nifty 50, we've seen an up move and a big one in Bajaj Finserv that's followed by something like in Coal India, which is also up 6%. Bajaj Finance is up 5.5%. We have gains in Z Entertainment, Vedanta, Kotak Mahindra Bank. So some of these names which were lagging yesterday have seen a substantial recovery in today's day of trade. On the losing end, there is some weakness in TCS, HUL, Bharti Airtel, but nothing compared to the kind of gains that we've seen. The momentum is with those which are advancing. Talk about the broader markets. The advanced decline ratio is towards the gainers, and we have in fact two gainers as against one loser. And even in the gainers, we have the likes of Navbharat Ventures, ITI, ITDC cementation locked in an upper circuit of 20%. We have good gains coming in Muthoot Finance, of course, on account of strong earnings. Minda Corp has been up and about. We have Time Techno, and of course, on the losing end, there is weakness in Dishman Carbogen and IGL to a certain extent, again on account of earnings, and Take Solutions in Lemon Tree Hotels. But on the whole, it's been a day of trade where we have seen a lot of more advances as compared to losers, and even those advancing have been gaining more than all the losers have lost. But if you just consider the futures and options space, again, given the fact that the Nifty has moved back above the mark of 10,000, which is a big positive, and it's still range bound between 9,700 on the lower end and 10,200 on the higher end. We'll continue to keep an eye on how things pan out for the Bank Nifty specifically, because that is something that is running markets right now. And we have a lot of participation from names which weren't as active earlier, but now starting to see some amount of work coverage. And even in terms of analyst ratings, we are starting to see some amount of recovery. Of course, let's not forget that global cues have to play their part, as is the case for some of your, the fact that the lockdown is easing off, and that's also leading to some gains even as production begins in a lot of manufacturing facilities across the country. But on that note, it's a wrap on the markets, but there's lots more lined up. Stay tuned to BloombergQuint.